In this tutorial, we'll use SimLab VR File Vault to download resources and implement them inside the VR viewer in real time. First, install VR File Vault from our website. Open SimLab VR File Vault and log into your account. In this window, we can create and manage folders to store files. Let's create a new folder. This type of folder is public, meaning we can access any of its contents in VR Viewer, provided we have the URL. Let's upload a file. I'm going to use this image as an example for the tutorial. The image has been uploaded to VR File Vault. Now, let's open SimLab Composer. First, I'll add a trigger event on a button inside the scene. To get the file from File Vault and use it inside VR Viewer, we'll use the Download Resources node in Dynamic Builder. This node requires a direct URL to the file. To get the URL of the image, select the image inside File Vault and click Copy URL. Then, paste the URL inside the node. Now we can use the file however we want. I'll use the Set Texture from File node to apply the image as a texture to the monitor in the scene. Let's see the result. After pressing the button, the uploaded image gets downloaded then applied on the plane we selected.